What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and I told you guys that it was going to be a double upload day. Happy birthday to Miss the one and the only Scorpion Goddess Nails. Yeah, that's me, you guys. Anyways, so we have an exciting video. If you guys know, then you know. This is Maniology. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to me for a collab and for sending me and my subscribers and my supporters these wonderful things to unbox on my channel. Maniology reached out to me and they saw that you guys would probably be interested in their stamping kits. And you guys already know I love Maniology. I have personally bought them before with my own money. I remember at the beginning of the pandemic, a little after quarantine, Maniology was giving out like a lot of stuff to help, you know, people learn how to do their own nails or to create beautiful nails at home. And so that's how I first discovered them. So we have a few things. This is is that the sticky base coat? Yes, the sticky base coat. And I have never actually tried this with the sticky base coat before. I've only tried just the colors. And so we have these two colors here that I selected. And then we have like a whole bunch of other stuff, you guys. I was a little confused because I went to swatch the polish on there and there was actually technically no way to swatch it on the top of itself. Like, do you guys get what I mean? Like, I don't know if you guys get it, but maybe I could have flipped the lid upside down and just got a ring of polish on it to see the color. But anyways, it says swatch me on top. So I assume you're supposed to swatch the color up there, but I didn't see how I could do that. But look at these plates, you guys. And there's this pamphlet that we're going to read in a minute, but one of them has a part that says oddly satisfying. And so this is the oddly satisfying part. So how do you guys like that? I'm so obsessed. But anyways, one reason why I love Maniology so much is because all of their products, I love their packaging, their aesthetic, and also all of the products are very like unique and versatile, and I really love that. So I don't know where to start or where to finish, but oh my gosh, you guys, I just love it. I'm so excited. I don't know, can you guys tell I'm like really excited? Now, another thing about Maniology is that they're very affordable, and I do have a discount code. I'm not sure what it is off the top of my head, but I will leave it in the description box down below. This is probably the favorite thing that I unboxed, like OMG. So you know how stamping gets so messy? Well, this thing, it's to hold your alcohol wipe or your cotton swab, which God forbid, that is too much lint, so don't use that. I recommend using alcohol prep pads. But so basically, this is how you would use it to clean off your stamping plate. And so that way you're not getting your hands all dirty. And I was like, this is literally such a genius move. So I was really happy to unbox that. And I wasn't even anticipating that they would send that. So thank you guys so much for taking us into consideration over here on my channel, because I personally am definitely a neat freak. And so this is the angled brush, and this is for basically like when you pick up a design off of the stamping plate and you have like a little excess paint or a little excess of another stamp and you want to kind of clean that off there, then that angled brush makes it very easy to do that. And next we're going to unbox a whole nother plate, and then we're going to actually unbox the little stamper and the scraping card. And then this is the pamphlet, and I really liked the pamphlet. It was very informative and also very minimalistic, which if you guys know, I am like totally all about minimalistic. So this is the part that I was talking about. It says oddly satisfying, and then it talks about how it, you got to rip that thing off, which actually I remember a few times I have seen people who have unboxed stamping plates and they never knew that that blue layer had to be like peeled off. And one time I fell for it too. So I thought it was so thoughtful of them to leave that information there. I also thought it was so good for them to tell you, don't use acetone on your little block or whatever. It's just, they gave us all the information we needed, which was very helpful. So this is like my fave. I was totally digging this one. It's so cool. I've been dying to have letters because I want to create like a super beautiful dedication set for my boyfriend. And so I thought that I could use that stamping plate to do it. I do like the system. I don't know if it's always been like this, but I remember back when I used it, I don't remember them mentioning a top coat or a sticky base coat. I just saw like the regular polishes, but this is the non-smudging top coat. And as you guys can see, when you get the starter kit, which this one is the starter kit, the one that came in that little sack, then it has smaller polishes. But if you get the polishes individually, then they are a little bit bigger. And like I said, everything is conveniently priced. So this is like very beginner DIY babe friendly.
Inside is really nice because you could be a very beautiful person with a nasty attitude and makes you look like a very beautiful soul, babe.
Thank you. You are too. And I wanted to leave all that crinkling in there for an ASMR moment. And during that time, my boyfriend was basically coming in the house and he was telling me that the motivational speeches that he has been listening to have been really having his mental state in good check, and that he's very thankful that I'm a good-hearted person. But this video is about to end. I love you guys so much, and we're going to be using this stuff soon. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, y'all. Peace.